The following message is transmitted at the request of Kanawha County, West Virginia Metro 911. Metro 911 is receiving multiple accidents on Interstate 79 in the Elkview and Big Chimney areas. At this time, the northbound lane is shut down in the Big Chimney area. Roadways are extremely slick due to ice. Slow down and use caution. These are the regional weather observations at 10 a.m. In Charleston, under cloudy skies.